Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing the clip and narrowing focus to the exact segment you want slowed. First, add the file to the timeline and trim both ends so you only edit the necessary frames. Once done, make sure your project frame rate matches the source. 60 FPS or higher produces smoother slow motion. Lower rates produce choppiness. You should also duplicate the trimmed clip before heavy edits so you keep an original backup. Now you're ready to open the speed controls and proceed. Now you modify clip speed and refine motion. Select the clip, open speed controls, and choose either a uniform speed change or a speed curve for ramps. Curves let you ease in and out smoothly. If Kinemaster offers frame blending or optical flow options, enable them to interpolate missing frames and avoid stuttering. That's why you match FPS earlier. Slow to 0, 5 or 0, 25 as needed. Then play back and adjust curve points until motion looks natural, keeping audio considerations in mind. Finish by polishing audio and exporting correctly. Detach audio if it distorts, time stretch it gently or replace it with a synced track. Make sure dialogue or beats still match visual cues. Once satisfied, export using the project's frame rate and a high bitrate to preserve smooth motion. If you see stutter or jitter after export, first recheck FPS and enable frame blending or optical flow. If issues persist, reshoot at higher FPS or use specialized interpolation tools. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.